Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I'm a fan of three things: basil, chicken, and rice. So I decided to put this together, basil chicken fried rice. You can do it with takeout, but sometimes I don't like to go out for takeout. You can do this in about 20 minutes, so let me walk you through this and we'll put it together. So first off, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan. I'm using a wok here, but you can use a frying pan too. Add in 3 cloves of garlic and half a teaspoon of pepper flakes just to heat things up a little bit. And we're just going to saute this until the garlic is fragrant. I just love the smell of this. When the garlic is done and that wonderful aroma fills the air, I'm going to add in a boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've just kind of chopped up. And I'm going to fry this until it's browned and cooked through. And if the garlic's a little too brown, you don't mind toasted garlic and fried rice. It is really good. Alright, now the chicken is cooked through, I'm just going to push it to one side. Beat up an egg. Add the egg in, and we're just going to kind of cook this until it's set. Once it's set and kind of scramble-like, I'm just going to fold it into the meat. You wouldn't believe how good this smells, guys. After that, we're going to add in 2 cups of cooked rice, and it can be whole grain, whatever you have on hand. Season it up with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and that's your sodium, so you don't need salt. Some ground black pepper, one of my favorite spices, and I would say about a handful of basil. I just love basil. And we're just going to grab a couple of wooden spoons and toss this together. Incredibly good. Kill the heat, and there you have it, guys, our basil chicken fried rice. Incredibly delicious. Okay, we're going to go ahead and plate this up. Believe me, you're going to love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste test. I love it. The basil, the garlic, the rice, just incredible. You're going to love this. You got to make it. Believe me. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool rice recipes galore. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.